Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle, originally bought here, potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Land Rover certified, Carfax 1 owner, extra clean, only 11,017 miles. EPA 24 mpg highway/18 mpg city. Santorini black exterior and ebony with light oyster interior, R dynamic SE trim. Leather, nav system, moonroof, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,000 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Buy with confidence, 5 years/100,000 mile limited warranty, complete 165-point inspection, 24/7 roadside assistance. Experts are saying, KBB.com's review says its beautiful exterior is bolstered by the elegant, tech-friendly interior, with the same level of quality materials Range Rover owners have come to expect. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at safercar.gov.